That's all ice. That's not snow. Yeah, got my work cut out for me. Got all the salt trying to melt it off. See if I can zoom in. That's the big one. Anybody got a chainsaw? No, I'm just kidding. I have to cut it all up with the chainsaw and then put it all in the wood chipper. I guess the trampoline is the victim of today. Yay, new development. Not really, but I guess it's good for my property value when I resell. Just to give you guys an idea. It's a lot of ice. I think we're just lucky to have power right now. It's been on and off since last night. But yeah, that could have been really bad. The neighbor's shop across the way there, he actually has a 64 Corvette in there, a 67 Camaro in there, a 64 Mustang in there. He's got a 33 Chevy and a 32 Ford and all kinds of memorabilia. So the last thing I want is this tree to fall in that shop. So this is it's a box elder maple or a Manitoba maple. And it's actually kind of a weed. It's a very fast growing tree. So for you Latin folks, Acer Negundo. And yeah, it offers great shade in the summer, but it's definitely getting too close to the house for my tastes, and it's gonna have to come down, and we'll plant a few more saplings in its place, some other variety. So we had a big ice storm roll in last night, and there's a lot of damage, and let's go see what happened to the kids' trampoline. Yeah, it even laid down one of the poles over there. Bent a bunch of them, so I don't know. I'll fix it come summer. It's gonna stay damaged for the winter. They don't use it in the winter anyhow. At least the swing set didn't get beat up too bad. Just one branch to fall on it rather. Anyway, I just wanted to document this, guys. I'm gonna go pull the chainsaw out and get to work. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I know this isn't usual Mustang content, but you know, how often does a giant tree fall in your backyard? I figure it's worth doing a little video on. But yeah, the old Manitoba maple is going to come down in the spring. I'll make quick work of that. I like doing stuff like that. So, all right, guys, you be good. See you in the next one.